Good morning children, hope all are doing well. This is 5th standard English class. As we were doing our describing an event block 2, today we have reached to our last topic, that is creating a checklist and editing. Creating a checklist and editing. See the topic name children, in this only we can understand that we are going to do something checking. Checklist means we are going to correct something, we are going to correct some other paragraph and doing the checking based on the workbook questions. In the previous class I have explained you magnifying movements. Remember, in that magnifying movements I wrote a paragraph and I have explained you. Because we are not communicating with each other, we cannot able to complete our workbook S4, which is checking and editing. Right children? So we will keep this workbook aside and we will concentrate in today's class. In this describing an event, what are the topics I have covered children? Our first topic was past and past continuous. Past and past continuous. Second topic, describing an event. Describing an event. And our third topic was magnifying the movements. Magnifying the movements. So in these three topics we have completed children in our block 2. We are going to see our reader. They have given 2 bits based on the first topic, past and past continuous tense. Okay. Yes, this is reader page number 17. First question I wrote it on the board children. See here, I dash you in the market last week, and here they are given a clue of the verb see in present tense. Now I am going to write it in past tense. And this we are talking about last week, which is already happened. So here I dash you in the market last week means in place of see, what is the past tense of see? It is saw. This is simple past tense. This is simple past tense. Okay children. See the second question. I dashed Angan yesterday. And what is the word he gave us? Feed. Feed. Now, I was feeling unwell yesterday. Why did I write past continuous tense children? Because in the past continuous tense, what you have to remember? Specific time or recently which had happened. Yesterday. Because of this, I have used here past continuous tense by using ing verb. Okay. Now see the third bit. She dashed the house at 11 a.m. on Sunday. And the verb is clean. Here this is also past continuous tense. How can you say past continuous tense? By saying a specific time. She was cleaning. She was cleaning the house at 11 a.m. on Sunday. Next bit. They dashed lunch at 2 p.m. yesterday. And what is the verb they have given? Had. Now one thing you have to see children, here it is all singular. Here I was talking about all singular. But when they are given, it is used only in plural. Now we are going to change this simple past tense in past continuous tense by using plural also. So what is the plural for they? Verb we use. Verb having. H-A-V-I-N-G. This is again past continuous tense. They were having lunch at 2 p.m. yesterday. Last bit, E bit, Raj dash. What is the word? Leave the house when I dash. single. I write was. Raj was leaving. This is past continuous tense. Raj was leaving the house when I entered. Enter is, did they give any specific time after the sentence? No. So that we have to write as simple past tense. Entered. Entered. Clear, children? Is this clear? This is your second question, children. Change the sentences into past tense sentences. Change the sentences into past tense sentences. Here, I have given you a sentence and we are going to change this sentence into past tense. I play computer games. In this, what is the verb? Play. So, I am going to change this play, present tense word, into past tense. What is the past tense for play? It is played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Shall I write over there? It will be clear for you. P-L-A-Y-E-D. How will you write the sentence now, children? I played computer games. In the next line, you will be writing answer. I played computer games. Don't forget to leave one line and write clearly, children. Second one. My mother cooks dinner. What is the verb here? Cooks. Now we are going to change this cooks into past tense verb. That is cooked. C-O-O-K-E-D, cooked. My mother cooked dinner. That will be your second answer. Coming to see it. I am walking home. What is the verb here? Verb is in past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. So here I am going to change am into past tense. I was walking home. I was walking home will be your C-bit answer. Coming to D-bit. He is whistling happily. Again, this also, if you see, this is past continuous tense. The verb is in past continuous tense. So, here this is will change into was. He was whistling happily. He was whistling happily. Okay, children. Now, what I want you to do is, you are going to complete your classwork by writing the grammar. Don't forget to write the grammar from workbook grammar guide, page number 50. After completing that, you are going to write question number 1 and question number 2 from reader. Leave one line, give proper gap between the words and complete your classwork, children. Okay? Thank you. Meet you in the next class with new block.